Episode 241, Heritage Railways. One day on the mainland, a new tank engine that the mainland controller had ordered named Jinty was thinking about something when Stepney came up. "Hello, Jinty. Are you enjoying your new life here?" "Oh, it's been very good, Stepney, thank you." "Are you thinking about something?" "Yes." "You can tell me. We're friends, aren't we?" "Of course we are. What I'm thinking about is, are there other heritage railways besides this one and Sodor?" "Oh, of course there are. There are many other heritage railways like the East Keeley Valley Railway, but the main one is the National Railway Museum in York." "Really?" "Yes. It has many famous steam engines like the Mallard, Duchess of Hamilton, and the Flying Scotsman." "Nice! Isn't the Flying Scotsman Gordon's brother?" "Oh, yes, he is." "Well, that's nice. I'll have to visit the National Railway Museum one day." "I'm sure one day you will, Jinty. Anyway, we have trains to pull. We gotta get back to work." "All right." And with that, Stepney and Jinty went back to work on the mainland.